Hello everyone, welcome back to the Coding with Kids channel. I am professional software engineer and today we are going to dive into the world of sorting algorithms. We will be focusing on one of the simplest sorting algorithm is bubble sort. Bubble sort is a basic sorting algorithm that rapidly step throughout the list. It actually compares adjacent element and swap the if they are in the wrong order. Imagine we have an unsorted array. Bubble sort will Bubble sort will start at the beginning of the array and compare each adjacent pair of elements. It's moved to if the elements are in the wrong order, it swap them. Then this process continues until no more swap are needed. Let's implement bubble sort in Java step by step. It's a very important part of this video. Imagine you have an unsorted array and first step is so bubble sort compares adjacent element and swap them if necessary. Let's start with coding practice. First, we are going to define integer array. Defining array. So everyone know how to define array. This is an unsorted array. So elements count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So enough. This is our unsorted array. We are going to sort this array. First, we initialize the array. Then we assign a value to what is the array length. Int array length is dot length. Yes, that's finished. Then we are going to iterate our array and implement our bubble sort algorithm. See carefully how to implement this. Int I equals 0, I less than minus 1, I plus plus. Then we are going to iterate another for loop to implement our bubble sort. Int j equals 0, j less than n minus I minus 1. Then j plus plus. Now we implement our logic. What is the logic? If array j greater than array, what is the value? J plus 1. You can understand the logic. If array j greater than array j plus 1, its condition is true, we are going to swap the element. Here I enter the comment. So easy understanding. Inside the if condition, we swap the element. How to swap the element? Initialize new temp value to assign our array j. Then our array j assign into the array j plus 1. This is the swapping process. It's very simple. Then our array j plus 1 assigning what is the value, our temp value. This is the swapping process. It's not a difficult task. Then we are going to implement our ceremony space, our bubble sort logic. After our for loops, we want to print our value. This is our end bracket of the for loops. Here I come in, print the sorted array. Yes. How to print? We want to sys out. System.out.println. But we are going to print sorted array. We want to print our whole array iterative. Yes, again for loop. How to iterate our sorted array in num our array. Inside our for loop, we implement sysout to print our numbers of the array. Space to so better results. Yes, that is the our whole process to iterate iteration and all including the bubble sort implementation. So now that we can see bubble sort in action, let's discuss its time complexity. And bubble sort has the time complexity of O squared in the workspace, which makes it less efficient for large datasets. It's mainly used for educational purposes and for sorting small datasets. Now we can go into run our program and see what is the result. Input project running. Yes, this is our sorted array. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Our array is sorted. In come to the conclusion, in this video, we have explored bubble sort, one of the simple sorting algorithms. We have walked through its step-by-step implementation in Java and discussed its complexity. If you found this video helpful, please give it thumbs up and consider subscribe for more programming tutorials. If you have any questions or want to see more sorting algorithms, please leave a comment below. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.